Right, so we're at a Holiday Drive custom home right before the drywall installation stage, and I actually wanted to talk about payment terms for a typical custom home. How does that work? What is the process? How did the draws process work if you are either funding it personally or through a construction loan? So you get through the process of designing your plans, you select a builder, you have a budget for the home, and you're ready to break ground. You typically go into a construction contract and you would pay a deposit. Depending on the project, say it's 10, 15, 20% of the total job cost. From there, as a cost plus builder, you would start construction at the end of each month, sometimes even bi-weekly. You would send bills to the owner or to the owner's bank for progress that was made. You go through the first month, the foundation was completed, we've done this additional work, the bills that we've paid out equal to, say, $50,000. We put that in a bill, whatever our cost plus percentage is in the contract, bill that to the owner and or the bank. If it goes to the owner, it's a pretty simple process. They review, sometimes they'll go out to the site. If they have any questions, you'll go back and forth before making a payment. If you go through a construction loan process, that invoice is sent to the bank. The bank typically sends a third-party inspector or an appraiser to come out to the job, make sure that everything that we're saying was complete is complete. They'll also send that report to the owner, make sure everything is approved, and then they'll send the funds to the builder for that progress payment. An initial deposit is made when the project starts, and that's really an amount of money that a cost plus builder has to use throughout construction. You get a deposit up front, say it's $100,000. Each month you're using that, paying the subs out, using that money, getting reimbursed for it at the end of the job. And then at the end of the job, the final invoice, that deposit is then credited back to the owner.